Hey guys, today we get to do what I've been waiting to do all season. We get to run a chainsaw. So I'm gonna take this guy down. The goal is to get rid of any trees that pose a potential hazard to the trail and trail users. I had 9 trees fallen yesterday before I ran out of fuel, but my phone wasn't charged, so I didn't get any content of that. So today, with my phone at 19% as we're recording, we're probably only going to get this on camera, but that's alright. It'll be for the gram. We're running an MS 362C on a we're running a MS 362C 25-inch bar. Skip chain situated. And we're going to take this small guy on the right first, just so he's out of the way. Choking on. Saw coming on! Maybe. So, kind of figured that happened because I didn't want to fall it directly into the tree. Sweet. And that's why we wear a hard hat. At least we got some of those fucking looser ones out the way, eh? Okay, so we got that small tree taken care of. We limbed this one up a bit so, those trees aren't in our way. And, White Monster for the win. For the jobbies who know. Yeah, I think I'm going to get these last 4 limbs at the low end here. Saw it coming on. So now that we got the limbs all cut out, I feel a lot more confident that we could just drop it right on the side of the hill. Probably have to buck it up and limit, so I don't know. I guess I'll go through the whole process. I mean, I already did most of my OLEC. I guess for those who don't know, OLEC stands for objective, which would be getting this tree on the ground. Hazards, which trees dead. There's a lot of other dead trees around here. We're a hazard to the trail users, and uneven footing would be a good hazard here, especially since it's all like dead twigs and all that. L stands for lean, and we already assessed that it has a lean going side hill and then slightly down. Our escape route, we're gonna be standing here, facing this way. We're gonna want, I don't like it, but our escape route's looking like it's gonna be this way. And we're gonna have to move pretty damn fast. We'll probably be standing up. We're gonna be this way. We'll do our face cut, and then we're gonna do our back cut. Yeah. Then yeah, or get the fuck out of the way. It's gonna be that way. Typically, you need 2. You don't want to run behind the tree, so it's like that way, that way. I don't want to run into another tree, although hiding behind another tree, not a terrible idea, but if they're like dead, no go. So, yeah, that's our escape route. And then C stands for cut plan. So we're gonna do a face cut, back cut, and we're gonna try and aiming it over there. And it's about as simple as aiming a gun. I mean, this black line is your gunning sight, and you use that while you're cutting to aim the tree exactly where you want to go. So our cut plan is face cut, back cut, and I'd bring the camera over there to show you, but I can't. I don't have the equipment for it, so yeah. Our cut plan's gonna fall at hillside, kind of towards that other dead tree over there. Hopefully not getting it hung up on this tree next to it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and turn our saw on and yell like a maniac on the side of the hill. Alrighty. Face cut! Saw coming on! So my back cut's uneven, if you could see, and I think that prevented it from falling. So what we're gonna have to do is use a wedge. wants to go. Should never do this. Falling! Am I? Now I could come show y'all. So yeah, I mean, literally took the whole wedge. I really fucked up on my back cut. There's zero holding wood. This is a bad cut, guys. But I mean, for the most part, the tree went where I wanted it to. I shouldn't have had to push on the tree, but you know, I'm no pro legend at sawing, so I mean, mistakes are bound to be made. I think the next thing we're going to do got a broke earmuff. That's I think, hold on, I'm gonna take this fucking hoodie off. It's getting hot as shit. We're gonna come delimb all this and then buck it up. I'm not sure if I really want to grab video of that. My phone's at 11%. I'm running out of storage space. I gotta put a lot of videos together for the channel and Graham, but yeah, maybe I'll just do a quick before and after. So stand on this log like the Lorax, and 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so all bucked up. Now we just got stump shot this, and I think I'm gonna move on to the next tree before I disperse all this out. I need to get these trees cut and then tag along with the rest of the trail crew. They're on the other side of the valley here, working a trail over there. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty standard falling process. So there's a little S212 class for y'all. Always wear your PPE. Hard hats, eye protection. I got this face mesh, so I get to wear cool eye protection. Earmuffs at work. I got, for this one, I got, you know, those ear plugs, those little orange ones. Wear your gloves. Preferably ones where your finger ain't showing, but it's easier to touch my phone screen. But yeah, I think that's gonna be most of the sawing pictures that I do, or video that I do today. I might get some pictures, try and show you what this what the stump should look like after your every time I want to use a word, it just flees from my mind. Yeah, what your holding wood should look like. I mean, something on this should be like an inch thick and consistent all the way through. But as you can see, there's like nothing there. So yeah, I really messed up on that. Could potentially be dangerous, but I'm gonna move on, grab my saw, go up. I think I'm gonna just go to the top of the trail and start working down. There's probably like 5 more trees I gotta grab. But yeah, goats, I'll see you later.